This little joker, auto broker. And if you're looking to buy a used car, this is what you want to examine. In theory, you want to make sure that the engine is cold. The most important thing you want to check is the oil dipstick. Okay, if it's dirty or if it doesn't have oil in it, that's the end of the test drive. This is clean, the oil's been changed, it's in good shape. You also want to check the inside and make sure that the oil is clean on the inside of the reservoir, which this is. And then you also want to check your coolant, which is located on this particular car. It's here, it's either located here or the coolant cap's here. And you want to pop it when it's cold, and you want to make sure that there's coolant in there, which this one, there is coolant in it. So those are the most important things. Now the next thing that you want to look at is you want to go underneath the vehicle. You want to look for oil leaks and rust. If the car has rust on it, that's the end of the vehicle inspection. So basically you just get underneath the car. This car doesn't have any rust, it doesn't have any oil leaks. If the car has oil leaks, it'll be wet underneath it. So, and then you want to start the car with the engine bay open. When you start the car, start it cold. You want to make sure there's no engine noise, which in this particular vehicle there's not. This is a good deal. This is a car for under $4,000. The AC works good. The car's in good shape. This is one of the best 6 cylinders that Chevy ever made. It's the 3.5 liter, and I've had really good luck with these over the years. So there you have it. You just want to make sure everything's quiet when you start the engine cold. You want to make sure that there's no noise coming out of the engine. This little joker, auto broker, you want to check the oil and the coolant. Those are the vitals of the vehicle. So, till next time, this little joker, auto broker, and I'm going to give you a checklist of everything. This is how you buy a car for under $4,000.